Hi, welcome back to our channel HardWizard Pro. In front of me I have Doogee smartphone. In this video let me show you how to configure Zello Walkie-Talkie mode on this device. First of all, what we're gonna do is open App Store and let's go to search in section at the bottom side of the screen, and now at the top tap on search in bar and now type Zello Walkie-Talkie, and you want to tap install button that is located next to it. When it is downloaded, let's open this application, and now we want to create your account or log into your existing account. Let's go to three-dot button in the top right corner of the screen over here. Let's tap options, let's go to settings and select push to talk buttons, and now we want to tap this plus icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now when you have this message on your screen, all you're gonna do is press volume down button on your screen, and as you can see it starts a recording. So you can start talking and you can release your finger to end this specific message. So that's how it works. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.